how to change Spotify playlist picture. So if you want to change your Spotify playlist picture, then first of all, you need to open up your Spotify application, or you can also go for your Spotify browser. Simply search for Spotify on your browser and then go for the first search, which is open.spotify.com, and make sure to log into your account. And after opening your Spotify, now here you can go for your playlist, which is here. Click on your playlist, and here you will have your playlist, right? So you can simply choose any one of your playlist. I'll be choosing this one. Now what you can do is simply click on the profile picture or the picture of your playlist. Here it will say choose photo. So simply click on choose photo, and then you need to enter a photo from your PC or your laptop. And after choosing your photo, you can add a name to your photo, and then you can also add a description. But if you don't want to add it, then simply leave it and then click on save. So that's it. That's how you change your profile picture on your Spotify playlist. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.